Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Sylvia Curatini here, bringing you another amazing video. Now, today I do have a work from home lead that does not require you to be on the phones. So if you're looking for a work from home position where you don't have to take phone calls all day long, then stay tuned because this job might be just right for you. For this work from home lead, you do need to have experience in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and etc. You also need to be highly organized and detail oriented. So if you're able to be proactive, if you're a self-starter, and if you're able to multitask under pressure, then let's take a look into this work from home opportunity. All right, awesome. So today's work from home lead is called a documentation specialist, and it's with a company called Conduent. This is a remote position based in the United States, and you don't need to be on the phone all day long taking inbound or outbound calls. So if you're looking for something where you're able to work from home, be remote, and not be on the phone, then stay tuned because we're going to get right into this job. So about Conduent, through their dedicated associates, Conduent delivers mission critical services and solutions on the behalf of a fortune of 100 companies and over 500 governments, creating exceptional outcomes for their clients and the millions of people who do count on them. You have the opportunity to personally thrive, make a difference, and be a part of a culture where your individuality is noticed and valued every day. So for their responsibilities, it includes receiving and applying updates to the system and project documentation. Documentations includes items such as design documents, system software documentation, user guides and manuals. Documentation is primarily in Microsoft Word, but it may include PowerPoint, Excel, and other formats. Documentation specialists will also provide support to the change management as required. These duties will include receiving and recording all new work requests from the client, sending and receiving all change management deliverables to and from client according to established protocols, producing various weekly and monthly reports for management and client, and also as well as performing all other duties as assigned. So for the experience for this work from home role, they are looking for 3 years plus of having experience with Microsoft Office Suite. So that's, the Word, the Excel, PowerPoint, Visio, and etc. They also would like you to have some SharePoint experience, which is preferred, and also to have 1+ years previous work in IT also as well as preferred. Now, if you don't have experience with either of those last two that I just mentioned, don't get discouraged and don't think that you can't apply, because if you do have experience with 3+ years of the Microsoft Office Suite and you definitely have work experience relevant to this role, then you still are more than welcome to apply. Now let's get into the skills. For the skills, the candidate that they are looking for must be highly organized and detail oriented. The candidate must be able to multitask under pressure, and the candidate must be proactive and a self-starter requiring little management, because this is a no phone role. You're not on the phone all day, so they definitely need somebody who is organized, detail oriented, able to multitask under pressure, and be able to be proactive during your work shift. So obviously that's just saying no lazy people and people who are not going to mess around on the clock. They want people that's going to be on it, on top of their game, self-starters, proactive during the entire shift. Now right here, it just mentions that this company is an equal opportunity employer. So if you would like to read this paragraph stating about that, how they don't, discriminate based on different types of things, then you're more than welcome to read on for that. So this job is very self-explanatory. You're receiving and applying all updates to the system, and you're basically keeping up to date with all documentations for this company. So if you're interested in this work from home role, you will simply come back up to the top here and click on this apply button, and you will simply put in your credentials and put in your application. All right, so there you have it. That is our work from home lead for today. It was simple, straight to the point, because it is a no phone role. It's fully remote. You're working from home. You don't don't have to worry about commuting or getting in your car or worry about working with other coworkers. So if you're simply interested in that and you're also interested in not being on the phone, then this may be the role for you. But this is not for lazy people. You definitely need to be organized and you definitely need to be proactive during your entire shift. So if you're interested in receiving and, processing documents and making sure everything is accurate and reviewing all other of the things that I also mentioned in the job description and responsibilities, then go put your application and apply for this role today. Now, if you're looking for more ways to make money online or simply to increase your income, then you definitely want to check out my number one recommendation that will also be below in the description as well. And you can check out how I'm able to be a stay-at-home mom and be able to earn income no matter where I am or what I am doing. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 beautiful children. I am an entrepreneur and I make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you ever heard of or never heard of affiliate marketing and just don't know where to start, or if you have and don't know where to start, then you definitely want to go check out my number one recommendation, because you don't need any experience to get started whatsoever, and you can be able to get up and going and start making commissions as soon as this week, as long as you take action and apply everything that is learned. Because when you learn the skills of affiliate marketing, no one can take that away from you, and you can sit there and apply that for any affiliate program that you want, because there are thousands and there's no limit of how many affiliate programs you can be a part of or how many things that you can offer. Everything is up to you, and that's why I love it, because it fits my lifestyle. It fits how I can be a present mother for my children and still be able to never miss out on any milestones, because this works so well with my lifestyle. And it could do the same for you. So if you're looking to make extra income, increase your income, make passive income, all of that, all of the above, that's what affiliate marketing does. Be able to give you that extra little oomph that you need, or even completely replace your 9 to 5. I'm able to be home in relaxing clothes with my children and simply living life. So if that's something that interests you as well, then go check out that number one recommendation like I mentioned to you. Be sure to like this video if you do like my content, and also be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future work from home leads or affiliate marketing tips. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.